Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating English word. Our word of the day is combination. So, what exactly does combination mean? Well, it's a B2 level noun that refers to a mix of things. Think of it as putting different elements together to create something new or different. A combination is simply a joining or merging of different things. We use it all the time in everyday language, often without even realizing it. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for combination. Some words that have similar meanings include mixture, blend, amalgamation, fusion, and merger. Let's look at how we can use these in sentences. For example, instead of saying the chef created a delicious combination of spices, we could say the chef created a delicious mixture of spices. Or, instead of this paint is a combination of blue and green, we could say this paint is a blend of blue and green. Think about a company acquisition. You might hear, the amalgamation of the two companies created a market leader. If you're talking about different cultures coming together, you might say the city is a fusion of different cultures. And finally, referring to two companies coming together, the merger of the two airlines created a more efficient network. Now, let's explore the opposite side of things. What are some antonyms for combination? Words that have contrasting meanings include separation, division, segmentation, disconnection, and dissolution. Let's see how these work in sentences. Instead of saying the combination of efforts led to success, we could use the antonym and say the separation of efforts led to failure. Instead of the recipe requires a combination of ingredients, you could say the recipe requires the division of ingredients into separate bowls. Instead of the combination of the data provided a clear picture, you could say the segmentation of the data into smaller groups made analysis easier. The disconnection between the two departments hindered progress contrasts directly with the idea of combining them. And finally, the dissolution of the partnership led to the company's downfall, showing the opposite of a successful combination. So, how can you use combination in your everyday life? Well, it's incredibly versatile. You might say, I need to find the right combination of clothes for the interview. Or, the security lock requires a specific combination. You could also say, this smoothie is a combination of fruits and vegetables. Consider this phrase, a winning combination. This refers to a set of things that work very well together, leading to success. Another common expression is in combination with, meaning together with something else. For example, this medicine works best in combination with a healthy diet. Here are some more examples of combination in sentences and phrases. The combination lock on the safe was difficult to open. The fruit salad was a delicious combination of sweet and tart flavors. A combination of factors contributed to the project's success. She has a unique combination of skills and experience. The combination of hard work and talent led to his success. He tried several combinations of numbers before finally cracking the code. The new policy is a combination of the best aspects of the old policies. Using both techniques in combination gave the best results. The combination of rain and wind made it a miserable day. The store offers a special combination deal on the phone and tablet. The combination of colors in the painting was striking. The successful business relied on a combination of innovation and hard work. He felt a strange combination of excitement and fear. The detective looked for a combination of evidence to solve the case. The artist used a combination of different textures to create the artwork. The key to a good presentation is the right combination of visuals and clear explanations. This cocktail is a perfect combination of sweet, sour, and bitter. They used a combination of traditional and modern methods. The success of the play was due to the excellent combination of acting, directing, and writing. The scientists studied the combination of chemicals to create a new drug. So, to recap, combination is a noun that means a mix of things. We learned about synonyms like mixture, blend, amalgamation, fusion, and merger, and antonyms such as separation, division, segmentation, disconnection, and dissolution. We explored how to use combination in everyday conversations and phrases. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word combination helpful. Before we go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn English with us. And now I have a challenge for you. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word combination and share it as a comment below. I'm excited to see what creative sentences you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.